This feature plans the turning around paths for two adjacent guidance lines and auto-steers the vehicle to turn around, so that the vehicle can turn around at the headland easily and flexibly. To enable basic U-turn function, tap Menu, Applications, Basic U-turn, and turn it on. Before using basic U-turn, please check the turning radius. Tap Menu, Device Settings, Vehicle Library, and edit the vehicle information. Tap Edit, Next, and enter the parameters page. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right or left. Drive one lap in place. Please measure the radius of the circle formed by the outer wheel of the vehicle. Enter the measured turning radius. Also check the implement information. Enter Implement Library and edit the implement information. Tap Edit, Next, and Next. Enter the parameters page. Measure implement overall width and distance between hitch point to rear of implement. If no boundary available, to mark headland, tap this icon where you need to turn around, or you can select the boundary here. The basic U-turn requires the boundary available for advanced mode or marked headland. Tap Basic U-turn. There are two modes for your choice. Mode 1, the turnaround path is omega-shaped. The turnaround is easy and simple and applies to scenarios with sufficient space for turning around. Mode 2, the turnaround path is fishtail shaped. It saves the turnaround space and is applicable to scenarios with limited turnaround space. Manual switching of forward and reverse gears is required. When the working width is greater than twice of the turning radius, the final turnaround path is U-shaped. To adjust the safety distance for turning around, change the reserved safety distance and coefficient commissioning. To change distance for the system to instruct you to reduce the speed and raise the implement for turning around, ensure that basic U-turn is enabled. Choose Menu, System, Alert, and change distance 1 and distance 2 for turn alarm. Select the mode for your need and enter auto steering mode. There are two directions of turnaround available. Tap any one to activate path planing and you can change the direction until the vehicle gets too close to the boundary. If the direction displays as below, it could be Scenario 1, the vehicle is too close to the boundary or headland, leading to insufficient space for turning around. Scenario 2, the guidance line that the vehicle currently engages is too close to the boundary edge. Scenario 3, the vehicle is outside the boundary. Follow the instructions on the screen to reduce the speed and raise the implement. Switch to manual mode, change the turnaround mode and enter auto steer mode again. Select the turnaround direction. Engage the forward or reverse gear manually as instructed and keep a low speed during the turnaround.